Hi, this is BP Rao from Enjoy Learning. In this video, I would like to explain a simple manner about lenses for class 7th. Let us start. In this video, we will learn what is a lens, types of lenses, and uses of lenses. Lens is a transparent object that bend, that means refract light. There are two main types of lenses. One is convex lens and another is concave lens. Convex lens, it is also called converging lens, is like this, a oval shape. It's thicker at the center and thinner at the edges. Now learn why convex lens is also known as converging lens. Observe the lines, light rays from a light source fall on the convex lens and intersect at a point. The image formed where the rays are intersect. Next one is concave lens. Concave lens is also known as diverging lens. Concave lens is like this, at least one side curved or both sides curved like this. It is thinner at the center and thicker at the edges. Why concave lens is also known as diverging lens? Observe this. The light rays are falling and diverging. So where the image formed, just extend the lines diverging rays back to they intersect at a point. We can find the image here in front of the lens. The uses of convex lens is magnifying glass, just like this, and in telescope lenses and in projector lenses, camera lenses, and microscopic lenses, and hypermetropic eye. To rectify, eye lens is also a convex lens. Now about the concave lenses. Concave lenses are used to peep holes in doors. Look at this. And to rectify the myopia problem of eyes, we use concave lens. Concave lens is also used in binoculars. Thank you very much for watching this video. Conclusion of this video is the main difference between convex and concave lens is the way they bend light. Convex lens, also known as a converging lens, this lens bends light towards a single focal point. Convex lens has an oval shape with the middle being thicker part. Convex lens is used in microscopes, telescopes, magnifying glasses and camera lenses, etc. Convex lens focus distant images at a point of the opposite side of the lens from the light source. Convex lens, the image formed is an upright, virtual and bigger size than the object. Now about the concave lens. Concave lens is also known as a diverging lens. This lens bends light away from a single point. Concave lens has at least one surface that curves inward. Concave lens used in telescopics, binoculars and spectacles to correct nearsightedness. Concave lens focuses distant objects so that they appear to be behind the lens. Concave lens always form virtual erect, that means upright, and diminished, that means smaller than the object images.